Subject Maths, Class 8, Chapter 2nd, Parallel Lines and Transversal. Practice set 2.3. Question number 1. Draw a line L. Take a point A outside the line. Through point A, draw a line parallel to line L. With the help of ruler, first we draw line L. This one is the line L. Show the arrow at both the ends. Give the name of the line L. Take point A outside the line. This one is the point A. This is set square A. Put one edge of the set square on the line L, which is coincide with the line L, and other edge touching to the point A. Then take another set square. This is set square B, which is touching to the first set square near the point A, as shown here. Draw a line along the edge of set square B. Remove the set square. Show the arrow at both the ends. This is line M. Therefore, line M is parallel to line L. Line M is passing through point A. This is required figure. Second, draw a line L. Take a point T outside the line. Through point T, draw a line parallel to line L. With the help of ruler, first we draw a line L. Give the name line L. Take a point T outside the line. This one is point T. Point T. Set square. This one is the set square A. Put the set square on line L as shown here. One edge of the set square is coincide with line L and other edge touching to the point T. Then take another set square. This one is the set square B. Touching to one edge of set square near the point T, as shown here. Then draw the line along the edge of set square B. Remove the set square. With the help of ruler, extend the line. Remove the ruler. Show the arrow on both the sides of line. Give the name of line. We give the name. This one is line M. Therefore, here line M parallel to line L and line M passing through point T outside the line L. This is required figure. Draw a line M. Draw a line N which is parallel to line M at a distance 4 cm from it. With the help of ruler, first we draw a line M. This one is line M. Show the arrow on both the ends. Give the name line M. Then we have to draw a line N which is parallel to line M at 4 cm from it. Then we take any 2 points A and B on the line M. This is point A and this one is point B. Draw perpendicular to the line M from point A and B. We use protractor. Put the line of reference on line coincide with line M and center of protractor on point A as shown here. Take point at 90 degrees. Then put protractor on the line M and center of the protractor on point B as shown here. Draw another point at 90 degrees. Remove the protractor. Draw perpendicular line passing through. Give the name of the line. This one is line P and this one is line S. Line P perpendicular to line M and line S perpendicular to line M. Line P passing through point A and line S passing through point B. Take 4 cm distance in the compass as shown here. Put the pointed tip of the compass on the 0 and another tip on the 4 centimeter. Take A as a center and draw an arc on the line P. Then put the pointed tip on point B and draw another arc on point S as shown here. Then zoom out. We get here is the point of intersection. Then we give the name. This one is point C and this one is point D. Draw a line passing through point C and D. Remove the ruler. Name the line here. The distance AC is 4 centimeter and distance BD is 4 centimeter. Therefore, length AC equal to length BD is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, line N is parallel to line M and line N is at 4 centimeter from line N. This is required figure.